मेरी आँख एक छोटी बड़ी क्यों लग रही है? Judge me like that, you're looking at me. Hey, what's up y'all? I'm Preksha Rathod and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got another haul video for you guys, and I know it's been so long since I've done a haul video and I'm not so very consistent on my channel, I know, but I am struggling with my full-time job and I just didn't get time to film any of this stuff. I have lots and lots of stuff to show you all guys, but I just don't have time to film them. So yeah, today's video is a long promised video. It's a lingerie haul, and yes, as I said, I didn't get time to film it. Also, there is one more thing for the delay is one, the delivery time of this whole box, and also I am very particular about my lingerie, my undergarments. I really feel that कुछ भी हो जाए, bra और panties should be comfortable. चाहे ऊपर के कपड़े, I mean the outfit is not so comfortable or very uncomfortable, but your lingeries, your bra and your panties, not panties but at least your bra should be very comfortable. And बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीज़न मैं कभी ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग नहीं करती, तो मेरे लिए बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट था कि मुझे कहाँ से अफोर्डेबल येट कंफर्टेबल लॉन्जरे पिक करना है. एंड ऑल्सो मैं हर एक ब्रा मैंने पहन के ऑलमोस्ट पूरा दिन तो मैं नहीं बोल सकती, बट ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 5 to 6 hours I have worn that piece of clothing, like piece of bra, to give you guys a more detailed review about it and honest review about it. I didn't wanted to give you all that catalog के ये कलर है, ये साइज़ है, ये है, वो है, ऐसा है, वैसा है, ये कलर. I just didn't wanted to give you all the catalog review, but honest review that how comfortable and how long you can wear the bra. So yeah, that is about it. So I shopped from Clovia, and this is the box that we have here. I shopped from this particular brand, and एज आई सेड मैंने कभी ऑनलाइन नहीं खरीदी है. मैंने क्लोविया से पहले आई थिंक पैंटीज़ और एथलीजर ख़रीदा है, बट मैंने कभी ब्रा नहीं खरीदी है, और मैं ऑफलाइन ही ब्रा खरीदती हूँ. आई एम वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट इट. सो या, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, the first bra that we have here is this white color lace bra, and for your information, my size is 32B, and everything I have ordered, every bra here I have ordered is in 32B. So this is the first bra that I ordered, and इसका pricing कुछ 899 around था, but I'm not going to give you the tagging वाला price. I bought 6 bra, like 3 bralettes and 3 like regular bra, or you can call it fancy bra, and 3 bralette that I said. And so yeah, and मेरे को 3 bra 999 में आया. Like it's on like regular offer on Clovia, I guess. I have always seen it. So I got 3 bra for 999, so 6 bras for 2000, and for panties I'll get back to you. So this is the first bra that I ordered. It's white in color. I wore it like for around 6 to 7 hours. I did all my chores, and I went out wearing this, and it is the most soft and comfortable bra you can own. It's non-wired, like there is no underwire inside it. It's lightly padded bra, and I usually wear lightly padded bra. I don't go with heavy padded bra. It just makes my look very big. And the reason why I'm putting my hair like in front, because people have that habit of looking at your when you are actually speaking about this. So that's why I'm not even doing the try on haul. So boys who came here because you thought this is a try on haul, no, I'm not wearing this, so you can go. And yeah, that is about it. This bra is like 10 on 10 for me. So the next bra that I got is again white in color. It's a demi cup underwire bra, like for deep neck and stuff. It comes like until here, and it's like half coverage sort of, and it has underwires, and I am very uncomfortable wearing underwires. I really avoid wearing underwires, but there are some clothes that are in need of underwires and deep neck tops, or clothing that needs to have this demi cup sort of a bra. So I would recommend this if you guys are comfortable wearing an underwear. Otherwise, no, for me. I would give a 8 out of 10 because it is soft and the material is very nice, but at the end of the day it's an underwire, so I don't feel very comfortable wearing this bra. But apart from that, if you are looking for a nice shape to your body, wearing that tight top and deep neck, then this is like the bra you should go for. So guys, the next bra that we got is the same black in color. Just it does not have lace, it's just all black. And yeah, I know most of you guys will comment down you should avoid wearing black bras and it's summer and all, you get breast cancer. I know that, but I always avoid buying black bras, but I end up buying them because I always think अरे ये टॉप पे तो black bra ही अच्छा लगेगा, या that is the type of mentality that everything I have, and I always end up getting a black bra. But this is the same demi cup bra, also 8 out of 10. The material is not that soft, like it's like polyester. The other two that I showed was under se cotton, so it was like very breathable, but this is not that much breathable. And of course it has underwire, so I don't like it so much. I would give a 6 out of 10, I don't know. So that was it for the 999 ka one packet. Now I got 3 bralettes. I told you I always end up buying a black bra, so this is the bralette that I got. It's like this lace thing here that comes until here, and like it's like a bra but just a fancy one. It's not completely a bralette, and it has this 4 tie-ups in the back that takes forever for me to tie it, because I don't wear it like this and then turn and then wear it. I don't wear like that. I just put it like this and then I put it like piche se hook up. I am flexible, you guys. I don't need to wear it like this and then turn it around, and it takes so much of time. I just find convenient ways for saving time. So this is the bralette that I got. Is like you can wear it like a jacket, like just this and a jacket over it, and wow, it's sexy. I just don't have the balls to wear it. But apart from that, this is the most comfortable bra, also very breathable, and for bralette it's very sexy, so I really like it. The next bra that I got, this one is like lightly padded. I did say that it's lightly padded and it has net here, and it's full net ka. I'm sorry, I didn't say that first. Then the next bralette that I got is so cute. Actually, I really like this, but the one drawback about this bra is it's non-padded, and I really am very uncomfortable wearing non-padded bra. Like I thought I was going to be uncomfortable wearing non-padded bra because I haven't worn a non-padded bra in like forever, since I have discovered this part. Like it's been growing. My mother have always bought me padded one. Like after the starters bra, I directly switched to the padded ones. So like this is like, for me, is a very no-no for a non-padded bra. But when I wore this, it looked so sexy. I really wanted to just wear it like this and roam around the world, but no, I can't do that because I don't have that much of guts, as well as I can't do that. And we are in India as well. So I really like this. It's lilac color, as you guys can see, and it has this all lace up, like it comes, the lace comes until here. So if you wear a sleeveless a sleeveless top, and you know, this lace thing only pops outside. Also you can wear it over a shirt or a, you know, turtleneck top. उसके ऊपर you can wear this bralette, and it's I'm giving you style tips also. So the next and the last bra that I got, I haven't worn this bra because it's the same and it's black in color, and I really didn't wanted, it's the same as the lavender one, as I said, this lilac one. I didn't say that, but it's the same as the lilac one. Actually I didn't order this one. This people did was, I ordered a blue, like a crop top type, like bralette top type ka bralette, and it was so sexy, but they literally cancelled that thing and they put this in my cart. Well, I am not like unhappy about it, but I just didn't want it. This, like, I already have the same kind of bra, and I'm not even returning it because I think it's cute and I can wear it, like, yeah, with a shirt top के अंदर और ऊपर, however, but this is really very cute and I haven't worn this. So like the other bralette that I wore, like, it's what I'm saying. So yeah, the bralette, the lilac bralette, this one that I wore, and it's super comfortable, so I'm assuming this is also comfortable. So yeah, I got this 6 bras for 999 plus 999, it's 2000 round figure. Sorry, my maths sucks. So moving on to the panties, I kept my panties. Oh. Moving on to the panties part, I kept my panties there because the box didn't had jaga. So yeah. So the first panty that I got, उसका सीधा कौन सा है? Oh God, what the okay, this is the first panty that I got, and the panties I got for 499 में 499 में 4, I guess 599 में 4. I have to check. I'll check and get back to you. Okay, so I did check. It's 499 for 4, and this is the first panty that I got. It is high waisted because nowadays we are wearing high waisted clothes, so I am avoiding low waisted panties. Also, I don't like low waisted panties, but I used to buy it because I used to wear low waisted jeans, but now that we have high waisted jeans, I don't have to wear a low waisted panty. So yeah, so this is the first panty, and the material is very nice, very soft. I haven't washed it, I haven't worn it, so I don't know how this is going to, you know, tikau, how tikau this is going to be. But it has this net on the sides. Why did I get so fancy panties? Because I don't have any fancy panties. I just, you know, I have this ghar ka panties that I wear. I have fancy panties. Okay guys, don't judge me like that, you're looking at me. Okay, I have fancy panties, but not this kind of fancy, but I really like it, this one. So this is the first panty. The second panty that I got is this one, again high-waisted. This is, the color is so cute and the floral print is so nice. It is very soft. I think I'm going to feel very comfortable wearing this. I think so. And the next panty that I got, again, guys, don't look at me like that. Yeah, I know these panties are fancy, but it's very nice, yeah, come on. Okay, so this is like the net part is from here. Again, it's very soft. It's the turquoise color, I guess this is called the turquoise color, and I finally pronounced it right. No, this is a turquoise color, right? This is like teal blue color. Oh God, I am colorblind literally. So, and it has this grey thing with it that goes very nice with the coordination, but who cares, I'm going to wear it however inside the pants, so nobody cares. So the last panty is inside this wrap because it's white in color, so I didn't remove it because then I'll make it dirty. However, it's going to get dirty, but yeah. So this is like same like the other panties that I got, only this one is the low-waisted one, I guess. Other than all of them are high-waisted, and this white, God knows why I got white panties. I should never get white panties, and I never get white panties. This is the first pair I own since I was in 6th standard and I got my first. After that I haven't ever bought white panties, but this is the first time I got because I think I wanted to match with the white bra that I got. So yeah, don't look at me like that, you guys. Don't judge me, please. No. So yeah, this. So the total amount was like 2,600 approx, and what else? Yeah, and the grand total like टैक्स वैक्स लगा लगा के ना ये लोग ने पूरा वो एक ही हो जाता है. It's like that only, but apart from that I really liked the quality. Then that underwire thing, I don't like it. I really don't like the underwires. I really hate underwires because यहाँ पे ना चुभता है, literally चुभता है. How you guys wear underwires? I can't. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked everything. I know I haven't done my best, like I haven't bought like a number of things, you know, I didn't want it. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Sorry boys if you didn't enjoy watching this video. No, I wasn't, you know, planning on doing any try on haul for bra and panties or bikinis. I am not very comfortable wearing it in public or on camera. I am the shy girl. Sorry, I'm old school, but yeah, that is it. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also share my video. You guys are not liking the video, just watching it. Like the video guys, so that I will be motivated to make more and more videos for you guys. Also you can follow me on my other social media handles like on Instagram, and if you would want to see the deets of this outfit and from where it is inspired, you can see it on my Instagram. I have recreated this look from somewhere, and if you guys know, comment down below. So yeah, see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.